If you're experiencing connection errors in GTA 5, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider restarting your router. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close GTA 5 completely and relaunch it to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your gaming platform Steam, Epic Games, etc. and install them. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the platform's feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus setting. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking the game's connection. Check the settings and ensure that GTA 5 is allowed through the firewall. You may need to add it as an exception. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in GTA 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rockstar Support for further assistance.